An important step in any research project is citing your sources. Citation Tools can help you to create your reference citations. Popular search tools like the Discovery Search and library databases have citation tools to assist you. Let's take a look at the Discovery Search. Once you have conducted your search and selected a resource that you will use, click on the quotation marks. A citation box will pop up. From the left side, you can select the citation format that is needed and click the Copy Citation to Clipboard link and paste it into your document. Other library databases also have citation tools. One useful database is EBSCOhost. Once you have found a resource that you need to cite, click on the three dots and select Cite. A citation pop-up box will appear. From the drop-down menu, select the format of the citation style that is needed. Select Copy to Clipboard and paste it into your document. Another popular database is ProQuest. Once you have found a resource that you would like to reference, click on the quotation marks. A pop-up citation box will appear. Select from the drop-down menu the citation format that is needed. Select Copy and paste it into your document. While these citation tools are helpful, there may be errors, so you must check for accuracy. Some examples of some potential errors are font and font size, as well as capitalization errors. For additional citation help, visit the library homepage, iup.edu/library, and select Citing Sources. This will direct you to a helpful website with additional information on popular citation formats as well as research guides. Detailed research guides on specific styles can be found at the IUP Citation Style Guide. These style guides can provide you with additional resources to help you in creating your citations. If you need additional help, please reach out to the library.